In this video, I'll show you how to create a study guide with Claude AI. This is a quick way to organize important information and review key topics before an exam. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main Claude screen. Next, I'll click inside the message box in the center of the screen, where Claude asks, "How can I help you today?" Now I'll type a prompt asking Claude to create a study guide. For example, I might type, "Create a study guide about the basics of photosynthesis." After typing the prompt, I'll click the Send button. Claude will generate a structured study guide, usually including key concepts, explanations, and important points to remember. If I want the study guide to be more detailed, I can include more information in my prompt, such as the subject, topic, or difficulty level. For example, I might type, "Create a study guide for high school students about photosynthesis." Claude can also help by summarizing notes, adding bullet points, or including practice questions. Once the study guide is ready, I can copy or download the content and use it for studying or reviewing the topic. And that's it. I've successfully created a study guide using Claude AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.